Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled AI for Data Analysis. Uncovering hidden stories in your data with AI. Ever wondered what secrets your data holds? From sales figures to website clicks, data is everywhere. Traditionally, uncovering insights was like finding a needle in a haystack. But with AI, it's like having a super-powered magnifying glass and a detective that never sleeps, helping you understand your business, customers, and even predict the future. This lesson will show you how AI transforms raw data into actionable stories. Think of data as the raw ingredients in a kitchen. It can be numbers, like prices, ages, text, customer reviews, emails, images, product photos, or even sounds. As a developer, you're constantly working with data, storing it, moving it around. Before AI can tell stories, it needs these ingredients, nicely prepared, to taste and understand. The better your ingredients, data quality, the better the AI meal. Insights will be. Imagine navigating a new city the old way, a paper map, manually plotting routes. Lots of effort. That's traditional data analysis, using tools like spreadsheets to manually sort, filter, and chart data. It works, but it's slow and limited. The AI way, a GPS. You tell it where to go, and it instantly finds the best route, avoids traffic, and even predicts arrival times. AI automates pattern finding, handles massive amounts of data, and reveals insights you might never spot manually. How does AI do its magic? Think of AI as a super smart detective. You give it tons of case files. Your data, it doesn't just read them. It looks for connections, commonalities, and unusual occurrences. For example, it might notice that customers who buy X product also tend to buy Y product, or that a certain type of transaction is usually fraudulent. As a developer, you're essentially setting up this detective, feeding it data, and asking it to find specific answers or uncover hidden relationships. AI isn't one single tool. It's a collection of specialized tools, each good at different tasks. For data analysis, we often use classification. Is this email spam or not spam? Single quote, categorizing things into predefined groups. Regression, how much will this house sell for? Single quote, predicting a numerical value. Clustering, which customers are similar to each other? Single quote, grouping similar items without knowing what the groups are beforehand. As a developer, you'll choose the right AI tool, often via an API or library function, based on the specific story you want your data to tell. Where is AI for data analysis making a difference right now? Predicting customer churn. *I can tell you which customers are likely to leave, so businesses can offer incentives to keep them. Sales forecasting. *I can predict future sales based on past trends, helping businesses plan inventory and marketing. Fraud detection. *I spots unusual transaction patterns instantly, flagging potential fraud much faster than humans. Personalized recommendations. Customers who bought this also bought, is pure AI data analysis at work, tailoring experiences just for you. You don't need to be an AI scientist to start using AI for data analysis. Many powerful AI services are available as APIs, application programming interfaces. This means you can integrate AI capabilities into your applications with just a few lines of code, sending your data to a service and getting insights back. Libraries like Pandas for data handling and scikit-learn for basic ML models in Python are great starting points for developers. It's about leveraging existing tools to unlock your data's potential. AI isn't replacing human analysts. It's empowering them. Think of AI as your intelligent co-pilot, handling the tedious parts of data exploration and highlighting the most interesting patterns. This frees you up to focus on strategy, interpretation, and making critical decisions. As AI evolves, it will uncover even deeper, more complex stories, transforming how every industry understands and acts on its data. Embrace AI as your partner in data discovery. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.